Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to cover the basic way of adding a user in HubSpot. So simply click the gear icon located at the top right corner of your HubSpot account and go to the users and teams. Now, this area in here that you can access depends on the plan that you choose. And this account that my friend created is this super basic account. So she probably can just access a few features in HubSpot. But if you go in this part here, you should able to see two tabs, which is the users. So these are the individual email addresses, and the teams, which is more into creating a group or a department in HubSpot. So one of the department, like one of the teams you can put on is just sales, marketing, IT or tech, something. But she's using a basic marketing hub profession, I think basic sales thing. So if you want to fully access the features in users and teams, then you might consider upgrading to their marketing hub profession. So again, to add a user, simply go back to the users tabs, click the user, create user rather, and then you put in your email address. Now, if you want to add multiple users or you have a lot of users you wanted to add into your HubSpot portal, you can use a CSV file. Now, simply click the next button, and in this part, you have like a control if you want this user to access everything. So workflow, edit, and delete. I want to have a full access of my team of these features. And by the way, if you are using the marketing sales hub profession or something, you should able to access the preset templates that they already it's already available, so you don't need to manually just click everything in here. They already have a specific template for an IT department, for sales department, marketing department, and the list goes on. So I'm gonna turn that on because I want to have access of everything in here. And then, or you can also use the super admin if you want this person to have access of your account. So I'm going to click super admin there, click the next button, and then click the add. Now, I should able to receive an email for that one, or you can simply, there should be like a link in here that you can share. So this one, copy link, and if I open the incognito mode, I should have an options to create an account. I do already have an account in HubSpot, so that should be good to go. I'm already a super admin, so yeah, currently it's still uninvited because I haven't accepted the invitation yet. But if I go into my my Gmail account, there should be like an option in here. Oh, that's a different one. Let's go to the, it might go to your spam folder, so just check that out. So I can just simply go HubSpot. Yeah, if it's not working, you can just use this resend. You can resend an email, or just use this copy invite linked. And yeah, so I already received an email. It's so delayed. I can log in using my HubSpot account. So I need to log in because I have this is my personal HubSpot account. So I already have this one, put it in here, and boom, already have an admin access. So yeah, let me know if you have any question. I'll be happy to answer it.